Captures airborne particulates that have been known to cause respiratory issues. Electrostatically charged, woven fiber layers remove even microscopic particles like dust and soot, providing up to 99% removal power. Improves vehicle HVAC and defroster performance. Replace annually for optimal fresh, clean air. Meets or exceeds OE performance requirements. Get up to 99% removal power with a PurolatorONE Advanced Cabin Air Filter. Electrostatically charged, woven fiber layers allow only clean, fresh air to enter your vehicle. Improves HVAC and defroster performance, and meets or exceeds OE performance requirements. Install a new PurolatorONE Cabin Air Filter today, and breathe easy. Top reviews from the United States. It fits perfectly on my Honda Civic 2009. The filter fits perfectly on my Honda Civic 2009. It was way cheaper than the price the dealer told me. Keep up the good work.